Welcome to the channel, guys, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to reset the oil life on your 2020 and up Subaru Outback or Legacy. I'm going to get right to the point, no bull crap, just so you can see exactly how to do it and be on your way. It doesn't need to take 30 minutes to tell you how to do it. So first off, you're going to start the car. You can also just put it in accessory mode. It works either way. Let the screen warm up. I say warm up because it takes a little while. So the first thing you're going to do is go ahead and hit the home button. Then you are going to go to car info. Might take a little while. We're there. Maintenance. We are in oil, engine oil, oil filter, tires, maintenance schedule. Best way to do it is just reset, or you can go into settings and then you can do a time remaining. Subaru recommends 6,000 miles or every 6 months. So you're gonna pick 6 months from whatever day. So in this case, update, exit, and now it is reset, and probably 5,600 miles it will tell you you need an oil change. So that's how you set or reset the oil change life on your 20 or up Subaru Outback Legacy. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like, maybe subscribe to the channel if you like off-road content, automotive builds, or anything to do with cars. Thanks for watching.